welcome to This Is Not a Design Conference 2019.
Some time since I have seen your face. Seems we both gained some weight. Our eyes crease more than our mouths.
One of the things I learned is that designers are better at seeing the big picture, the small details, and connecting them. And it's actually very important when you want to solve complex problems.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the experience. I was pleased to be able to bring, I think, the more traditional commercial design perspective from Deloitte, but where the magic happens is when you bring these different disciplines together.
You gotta play it straight, never fall on a crooked game.
Yeah, it's amazing. Really wonderful people, amazing staff who really put something really special together, really well thought through. Thank you very much for organising it.